Now our requirement is no. Whenever parent record will be deleted, then child should also deleted. We'll go with the master detail relationship. Not only that, we have another requirement like, hey, suppose we need to create a roll up summary field on the parent, then we'll also go with the master details. But I'm coming on practical for this. Let me create another field on same object. Okay, a student. So earlier, why I have not created master details on the student, because see, this is a very genuine use case. Like when teacher will be deleted, then it will not want your student will also deleted, right? Because um, both has if in a normal use case, it's not good strategy like, hey, once teacher will be deleted, then a student should be deleted. But somehow if you have a requirement, you can know if we have assigned it for temporary, like for a specific class, that this student is assigned to this teacher and we need to delete, then we will create a master detail relationship. So on the same student relate for just demo, by creating new, now master detail relationships, and next related to, again on the contact,
Yes, sir. Contact.
sorry, contact, next
So, Omar,
okay, we have already, yeah, please.
so I was saying that for the same two objects,
Mm-hmm.
Salesforce does not have any restrictions to not to allow us create a lookup relationship or a master detail relationship.
For same objects,
So it's the same two objects, right? The student and the contact objects are the same two objects which you are taking in your example, and we
yeah, this example will allow,
okay.
yeah, but to be honest, in real time,
Yeah, in
it,
real life
it will not, it
it
will
does
not
not make a
suggested.
sense.
So you got it, because why not it is suggested, because as I went to the security settings, so you can see like we have option private, public, something. But when it will be master detail relationships, then what happened, on the child object we don't have any option to change the security setting, like OWD setting, sorry, OWD setting. If master detail master, I mean parent object is private, then the child object will also private by default. We will not see that object here. So yes, we're right. We should, firstly, I should delete this object, this lookup field from here. Perfect example. Okay. Now, once again, the student, I can see, yes. Let me remove this.
So when you erase it, removes it from the recycle bin, is it?
Not precisely mean, but yeah, our deleted field goes to the recently deleted items. So we have removed from there, and our record goes to the recycle bin. So come on the object manager again, and student, Now create a new, and that's master detail relationship. Filter to contacts. Yeah, contact, leave this. Uh, we have already detail analysis custom object. Oh, sorry. Yes, that's good. Another learning. So what happened when we create a child record? If we have a master detail relationship and we are going to create a child record, then master detail relations must master details field always required. Means we need to choose the master details field every time. So here, when you go to the once again, when you go to the student, so we have one student record and contact should be not here. Na? Let me refresh because you have deleted the contact field. Na? Yeah. So we have a record, and now when we create a new field, then this will not allow us because very clear error message. You cannot create a new master details relationship on existing object if records exist. So here approach they are suggesting the best approach to create a lookup relationship, populate the value, and then you can change. But for now, I have only one record, dummy records. I'm going to delete, but in real time, you will not delete. What you will do, we'll create a lookup field first, like we had earlier lookup field. So we can change that to master detail relationship. Now, go back. So see, if when you are getting the error, so see this as a positive sign because you are learning something. Maybe I will not in practical session I will not use this example, but error message to help us, right? So create again new. Now choose the master details. Next, contact, save. Now go on the student tab, create a new student record, and you can see now the contact means teacher is required. So give a name, demo student, contact equal to this, save. Let me open this contact. So same thing is here, means under the related list, you can see we have child, similar to lookup, but a major difference what we need to remember here. See, go to details, and here go on the students. Anyone, what a major difference here? Can you please help me out? What difference I want to show you on this record details page? This is a child, means we can say details, and this is your master. Parent is your master, and child is our details. So anyone, what is the major difference between both record?
Owner field is not there on child record.
Yes, means the ownership of this child record is controlled by parent. So here is the owner. So now we can't change the owner of child. So we can't change the owner of child means again I'm going on the OWD setting. Let me go setup. Setting, and this time it will not see a student around. Sorry, let me edit first. Edit. And I think I have network is on this side. So you can't see a student. Means we don't have option to change the internal access or external access under the OWD for the detail side, means for the child side. So again, go back. And now I'm coming back. I think I have skipped one question. Someone asked me, see, student controlled by parent. Because the parent of this student is contact object. On top, contact object, private, then private. When we'll go with the contact, contact, if contact is a public, let me mark this as public. Oh, no. That's fine. So any question here? I think now, I think someone Goro or someone asked me earlier about the control by parent. So here, if we have a details, means child with the master relationship, then that will be also always controlled by parent. And if you remember my previous example, when I came to the student and when I click edit, then we have public, private, and we don't have option for control by parent that time, because the control by parent terms come when we have a master details lookup, master details relationships. So guys, I'm not sure my today methodology is good fit for you not, because I thought we'll go with the practical only. So again, if any question, please feel free to text me, ask me individually.
Yeah. So basically, you're saying, guys, whenever there's a master detail relationship, and if you try to edit, you won't be able to have, you won't be able to, you won't be
Change
able
the
to see the, yeah, you won't be able to see only to change it. So that, like what
yeah.
you said.
Yeah, the same word, your same sentence, if I simplify, we can't control the OWD setting, means we can't change the OWD setting of a child record if child record has a master detail relationship.
And that is applicable for your standard objects as well. If there is a
If any relationship with a master detail relationship, then of course. And now you've asked a very interesting question, very interesting term here. Maybe someone has a question, hey, contact and account has a lookup, but why they are providing us option? Maybe someone has a question like, as earlier we also use the term key, we have lookup field on contacts for account, right? But here you can see contact has also option for control by parent. So nobody for that. Contact account, contact opportunity, and yeah, contact and opportunity both has a different relationship. Like they are looked up, but internally they have also master relationships because they are standard objects. So Salesforce has a standard configuration for those objects. So those are exception in the case. You can also create a roll up summary field on the opportunity. Sorry, on the account for the opportunity. So again, that was a lookup field, but you can create. So that accepts. That is something you can say we have internal extability for those objects. But in our example, when we're going to create a custom object and we're going to create a lookup field or maybe master details field on the lookup, then this difference will be applied. One more thing, we can't create a master detailed field on the standard object. Like go on the object manager, click on the account, and here when you will create new, so now we don't have option for master details. So now in terms of delete, anyone, we have deleted a master details. Sorry, I'm master, we can say not master details, because no, master means parent, details is our child. So we are going to delete our parent record. Now child is also deleted. Then I'm going to recycle bin. I'm going to restore the master. What happened? Child will be restored
Child,
or not? Anyone?
child should also come
Childs will also get restored.
Yeah, it's automatically, child will automatically
restored.
restored. Now think something different. Master details relationship we have. Okay. Now we have deleted the master. Or I can say we have not deleted master. We have deleted the details. Deleted. Okay. We can delete now.
Yes, sir.
No issue. Yeah. This is the parent, this child. We can delete a child. So we have
Yes,
deleted
sir.
a child record. Now we have deleted the master record. Now I'm going to restore the child record. Restore. What happened? Anyone?
I think child record
Not
won't be there in the recycle
restored.
bin if you delete master record.
Okay. It need to try. You will please go and try. What happened? You can't restore this. Didn't Bing
Yes, sir, we can't restore.
see? It will be anti-cycle bin because there is no reason. When someone deleted the child, then
Which is
no any
related to some
relationship between
parent.
the master and this child, right? Both have different record. Na? Someone deleted the master. Okay, that's fine. Master is deleted, and all the current child will be deleted, right? Now, someone is going to restore this. This time, since there is no relation, no? So we can't. Let me go ahead and why not? We should check. So we have this student, and we have. So I am going to delete the child. Child. That's fine. I'm again going to delete the. Okay. So under the list, you can see record is no longer here. Let me delete the parent as well. That's fine. Okay, I need to go to the cycle bin. How to go? Anyone, please?
App launcher and type on.
Yeah, so earlier we need to go here, but no longer. We need to switch. Yeah, you're right. This is right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and once we'll delete the previous master, I mean, what was the master? I think contact this one, nah? And if I delete this, then it will be automatically removed. So what we did, we have firstly deleted the child record, right? Then we deleted the parent record. Again, here we were talking about the master details. So when we deleted the master, then child was automatically deleted from recycling because there is no any meaning of that child record. We when we will go to restore that child record, then it's not possible because we don't have any parent. But again, think we are going to create contact. Teacher 1, 2, 3. Open the student record. New student. Teacher. Okay, so now I'm going to delete this student. So delete from here. It will be in the cycle bin. Once we will restore from here, then go to the student, open the student, and we can see it is automatically linked to your parent, right? But when we deleted our child first, then we deleted our parent, then that child was no longer in the cycle bin because there is no meaning. You can think, okay, that was a meaningless. Now we have this contact means parent, and here is a detailed list student. Let me delete the parent. Delete. Let me refresh this student, and you can see, okay, this student is no longer available here. So what happened when we deleted our parent, then child is automatically deleted.